What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Versa smart key remote fob. This Nissan Versa key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side for now. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take our key fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in between this black and silver plastic piece right here. So I'll just stick it in there like that, and then once it's in there, I'm just going to twist it. And you can see it starts to open the case. I'll come over to this side and same thing. And then once we get the case started, you can go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. I'll just use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down. So I'll put this in, and where you see this battery contact, that little metal piece, I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.